Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of International Department of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. Today we're going to have an interview with our partner. His name is Michael Adams and he's from Microfex company. Hello Michael.
Hi.
Alright, so let's start our conversation with the first question. So basically at the beginning I would like to know more and our viewers as well more about your company. So basically just briefly explain when did you create your company, what is the main activity, so yeah.
Oh, well, actually the company has been in existence unofficially since 2010 and we've been operating over time and subsequently I found myself at a banking hall. I worked as a banker for like a year, Trust Bank in Nigeria. So I studied banking and finance. So I've actually been in the financial world for a very long time. So, and it has been a passion over time. And since then, I've been, on and on into forex, into crypto, and So when I got into the banking hall, it was like the practical experience of what I've learned in school.
Yeah.
So since 2010 till 2019, we operated unofficially, So, but in 2019, we officially registered Micofex Global Enterprise. And that's it.
All right. Yeah. And so you are the CEO of the company, like we call it in Russia, general director, something like this. Yeah, general director. All right. All right. All right. Michael, can you please describe how will your company provide services in terms of getting, money from our potential clients from Nigeria to Russia?
Well, basically, we had a series of discussions before this interview, and I explained a lot of things to you. Well, it's made easy because, of course, I'm a Nigerian citizen, and I have an account in Nigeria, and sending money from a Nigerian to another Nigerian is easy, like we have in Russia. Sending from one Sberbank to another Sberbank.
Online banking.
Online banking. So it's basically easy. You conclude your contract with your client. You discuss every terms and conditions as regards what they want to do, and you decide how much they are going to pay for your services. Then you contact me and Michael, we need this amount of money in rubles or in USDT or whichever currency you so need it, and I tell you the equivalent of that money in Naira. You communicate the amount, inclusive all charges. You communicate the amount to your clients, and you let your clients know, okay, fine, I want to get $1,000 in Russia. This is the amount in Naira. You're going to send it to our partner, Microfex Global Enterprise, and boom, they send the money to my account. You receive the receipt of payment. You send me the receipt of payment that, this person paid this amount into your account. Then after confirmation, I have your account, you have my account, and I send you the equivalent within minutes.
Okay, totally understand. So Michael's company would be our official partner for helping in this financial situation here nowadays. Michael, can I ask you like a quick question about yourself, about your background in Russia, because you're here in Moscow. So basically, what is your hobby? I mean, we're really into
I've been in Russia for like 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Wow,
I studied in Russia, and I came here. It was difficult, basically. The language, and I had to learn the language for a year. And afterwards, I started learning lots of Russian culture, tradition, and try to imbibe myself into the system and meet people. So after study, I decided to stay back. The country has been home already. Russians are very accommodating. Of course. And I see Russia as home already. So hobbies. Well, I like traveling. I like surfing the internet. I like looking for information. I like learning new things. I like helping people to the best of my capability. And reading, not really. Listening to music, yes, I like it. I like looking good.
Okay, yeah.
To the best of my knowledge.
Totally agree.
So
Basically, like you also had your student visa, and this is the, I would say, the most flexible and convenient way to come here to Russia, being a Nigerian citizen. So we have a lot of requests from Nigerian citizens to come here as a student.
Absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely.
Perfect.
It's the best way to migrate from anywhere in the world to Russia, because you have lots of opportunities as a student. In our own time, you can't work as a student, but now you can work. There are lots of opportunities, discounted card for metro, discounted amounts of money you pay every month for bus, lots of discounts even on flights and the rest. Even when you want to do your medical insurance as a student, they give you discounts. So it's a lot of opportunity down here. But the problem most Africans face when they come to Russia is they don't take their time to learn Russian language. They don't take their time, and that's one of the challenges that we face here. When you come into the system, it is very, very important that you learn Russian language.
Totally agree. That is why we provide a service of getting the Russian language course as a student visa. It's a 1 year. Of course, with a bachelor's degree and with the master's degree student visa, you can officially work here.
Of course.
But with the Russians, just for the information for all of our subscribers and viewers, with a Russian language course, you can be officially hired, but only by the university right now. So and when you if you want to continue your studies and obtain bachelor's degree, with this kind of student visa, you can be officially hired wherever you want. Also, you can open your company here and LLC, for example. That's right. And but last but not least, how I've heard that many Nigerian citizens here in Russia know you, basically.
Of course.
Right?
Of course. I've been here for a very long time.
You're in the community, right?
Yeah, Nigerian community, Yoruba community, Nido Russia, Nigerians in diaspora Russia, I'm in lots of organizations and,
I think it's very cool. It's very cool to be involved in your society.
Well, it is. Based on, the kind of community we find ourselves. It's difficult to live alone, to live in isolation. So you have to, try as much as possible to relate with your countrymen. So if you have any problem or you have any situation you need help with, you can quickly reach out to your countrymen and they can help you.
And also you build the trust, right? So you.
I've been working here under my company for I think 3 years now. Since 2019 that I officially registered. So the trust has been built over time. So I've not had any issues with anybody yet.
Yeah, very good. Michael, what do you think? Do Nigerians want to come to Russia nowadays? And if so, why, for your opinion?
If you look at the system that we have in Russia compared to what we have in Nigeria is not the same. An average Nigerian would rather prefer to live in Russia at the moment than to live in Nigeria. As at the time, 10 years ago when I left Nigeria, $1 to a naira. $1 to naira was about 158 or 160.
All right.
But at the moment, based on what we checked yesterday, it's about 710. So look at the gap in just a decade. So the economy is though Russia too is facing a lot of sanctions and all that, but compared to what we have back home, and also the educational system here, it's better off. At the moment, we're on strike. Our universities are on strike in Nigeria. So imagine an undergraduate in Nigeria that does have the opportunity to come here to study, where there is no strike, there is nothing like lecturers going on strike. When you start, 4 years is 4 years, 5 years is 5 years. I think they would prefer to be in this system than to be back home. But one of the major challenges, as I said earlier, is the ability to speak Russian language.
Language barrier.
Language barrier. It's a major challenge. So I don't know if the Minister of Education in Russia, if they can try as much as possible to imbibe, more of English courses so as to invite more foreigners into the system. Because a lot of people will not be ready to go through the process of learning
Straight.
You understand? So when they just come in, they don't have to spend 1 year on language course. They just go straight into the university. They study and they graduate. So that's my opinion.
Sounds reasonable. Michael, thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, it's been really nice to have you during our interview. So Microfex is our official partner. They will help us to bring Nigerian citizens to Russia. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, check our social media. We'll be in touch. Stay tuned. Goodbye.
Bye.